Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix the Free Fire game loading problem. So how to do this? Let's start. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, first of all open your Android mobile phone, and when you open game of Free Fire, then it's a problem, that loading problem. So how to fix this type of issue? Go to your Google Play Store and install any VPN, and I recommended a Super VPN. It's an amazing VPN, so install in your Android mobile phone. So I just wait for a few seconds to install in my mobile phone. So it's only a 3.93 MB files, and you can see that 4.3 is a excellent ratings, and 50 million plus downloads. So after installing that, simply click on a open button, and it's required for a few seconds for loading. Okay, click on a continue button and click on a okay. The system is because I have used this application in emulator, because that's why this VPN is not properly working in my emulator. So when you are downloading a VPN, then connect a VPN, and after that open your Free Fire games. I'm sure that after doing this, that not and face a loading problem. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel.